I'm Savita Valsang and welcome to my channel Statistics Made Simple. In this video, I'll find solutions to problems based on CDR and ASDR. Problem 1. From the following data, calculate CDR. In the table, in the first column, we have age group in years 0 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 49, 50 and above. Population 10,000, 11,000, 17,000, 11,000. The number of deaths are 200, 140, 110 and 90. So to find out the CDR, we need the total population and the total number of deaths. So in the table, I calculate the total population and get it as 49,000 and the total number of deaths is 560, which is highlighted in pink color. Now write the formula. Consider CDR is equal to number of deaths occurring in a year divided by average population in a year into 1000. So which is equal to 560 divided by 49,000 into 1000. Therefore CDR is equal to 11.43. Keep in mind that we take only two places after the decimal after rounding off for the final answer. The second problem is a different kind, so do practice it. In a year, in a population of 86,500 individuals, 1,740 deaths and 2,500 births occurred. Assuming the population is closed for migration, calculate CDR. Solution: given P naught is equal to 86,500, B, that is the number of births, is 2,500, deaths D is equal to 1,740, and since the population is closed for migration, I is equal to 0 and E is equal to 0, where I and E are the number of immigrants and emigrants respectively. Now first, before we calculate CDR, since P naught, then the births, deaths are given, we'll first find out the population at time t. So consider Pt is equal to P naught plus B minus D plus I minus E, which implies Pt is equal to 86,500 plus 2,500 minus 1,740 plus 0. So which implies Pt is equal to 86,500 plus 760, or we get Pt is equal to 87,260. In the formula for CDR, we require the average population. So let us now consider the formula for the average population, which is P naught plus Pt divided by 2, which is equal to 86,500 plus 87,260 divided by 2, which is equal to 1,73,760 divided by 2. Therefore, the average population is equal to 86,880. Now write the formula for CDR, which is equal to number of deaths occurring in a year divided by the average population in a year into 1000, which is equal to 1740 divided by 86,880 into 1000. Therefore, CDR is equal to 20.03. Problem 3. In a year, the CDR of a population of 3 lakhs is 8. Find the number of deaths. Solution: consider CDR is equal to number of deaths occurring in a year divided by average population in a year into 1000. So which implies 8 is equal to number of deaths occurring in a year divided by 3 lakhs into 1000. Then you cross multiply as I have highlighted with the pink color arrow. So you get 8 into 3 lakhs divided by 1000 is equal to number of deaths occurring in a year, or you get the number of deaths as 24. Problem 4. Compute CDR and ASDR from the following data. Age group in years are 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49. Population values are 20,000, 10,000, 50,000, 30,000, 10,000. And the corresponding number of deaths in each of the age groups are 600, 240, 1,250, 1,050 and 500. Now, to calculate CDR, we need the total population and total number of deaths, which is 1,20,000 and 3,640 respectively, which is highlighted in pink color in the table. Solution. First, we have to find out CDR. So, write the formula for CDR, which is equal to number of deaths occurring in a year divided by average population in a year into 1000, which is equal to 3,640 divided by 1,20,000 into 1000, and you get CDR is equal to 30.33. Now we calculate ASDR, and the formula is ASDR is equal to number of deaths occurring in a specific age group in a year divided by average population in a specific age group in a year into 1000. Now, whenever we have to find out ASDR for all the age groups, we need to write the formula for ASDR and then show a calculation for at least one age group. It is not necessary to show the calculations for all the age groups. So now we will first calculate ASDR for the age group 0 to 9, which is equal to 600 divided by 20,000 into 1000, which is equal to 30. Now in a similar way, you can calculate the ASDRs for the remaining age groups, and they are written in a column as shown below. Suppose ASDRs are in decimals, then you can just take two places after the decimal after rounding off. So, the ASDRs for all the age groups for the given problem are 30, 24, 25, 35 and 50. Problem 5. Find ASDRs from the following data. The age group in years are 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 and above. The population values are 20,000, 15,000, 10,000, 5,000, 8,000, 7,000, 18,000. And the number of deaths are 1,000, 500, 200, 100, 120, 150 and 1200. So let us start with the solution. Write the formula for ASDR, which is equal to number of deaths occurring in a specific age group in a year divided by average population in a specific age group in a year into 1000. Here I would like to reiterate that write the formula in words completely. For either the mortality rate or the fertility rate, do not use any short forms. So now let us compute ASDR for the age group 0 to 9, which is 1000 divided by 20,000 into 1000, which is equal to 50. Now in a similar way, you can calculate the ASDRs for the remaining age groups, and I have written them in a column as shown above, that is in the pink colored column. So the ASDRs for the remaining age groups are 33.33, 20, 12.5, 15, 21.4 and 66.67. So now since some of the ASDRs are in decimal, I have taken only two places after rounding off. Problem 6. Find ASDR for the age group 15 to 40 years from the following data. In the table, we have age groups in years as greater than 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 and above. The corresponding population values are 40,000, 30,000, 28,000, 10,000 and 30,000. The number of deaths are 1,000, 600, 400, 200, 900. So first let us highlight the age groups 15 to 40 years as asked in the problem. So I have highlighted the age groups 15 to 25 and 25 to 40 in the green color box. Now choose the corresponding populations for these two age groups, which is highlighted in the yellow elliptical, that is 30,000 and 28,000, and the corresponding deaths for these two age groups are in a blue circle and the values are 600 and 400. Now let's start with the solution. The formula now is going to be specific to 15 to 40 years. So how do we write the formula? So the formula will just have a small change. You can write consider ASDR, within brackets you have 15 to 40 years, which is equal to, now write number of deaths occurring in the age group 15 to 40 years divided by average population in the age group 15 to 40 years into 1000. So now the numerator, you have to add the deaths in both the age groups, that is for 15 to 25 and 25 to 40, which is 600 plus 400 divided by, now in the denominator you have to add the population for the two age groups, which is 30,000 plus 28,000 into 1000. So you get 1000 divided by 58,000 into 1000, or ASDR for the age groups 15 to 40 years is equal to 17.24. I hear and I forget, I see and I remember, I do and I understand. So keep practicing. Thank you all for watching and look out for my next video where I'll find solutions to standardized death rates, which is a very important topic.